people, if you don't know, I'm streaming League of Legends today, and this is some epic moments, some fearless moments, some legendary moments are gonna be written in the history now with you and me. And we're gonna play this shit forever. Until we die. That's great. We just need one more guy. One more guy to start playing the legendary, the most efficient, the most glorious, the most bloody game ever seen on the web. It's gonna be us, me and you guys, against those fucking monsters in the jungle and those bots. Those bots are gonna cry because we're gonna kick their asses, make them crying and bleed all the time. They're gonna call their mama so high, they're gonna hear them from Australia. In Australia, people, they're gonna say, oh, we are hearing some bots are dying. It's gotta be Dinotti and his team. We're gonna have so much fun, because you know what we are doing in the battle. We are like fearless. We are fearless. We have big stakes in the head. We are like yelling, for Demacia! And they're dying like this. Don't kill me! And I'm like, you dirty animal. Ah! You're gonna be fucking famous, guys. You just gotta play with me. You gotta tell people that I'm streaming. You gotta make this community so fucking big that everybody in the world is gonna be jealous on us, because we're gonna be the greatest. So we are in the game. Okay, let's start the game. I am taking my best, my favorite champion. That's my beloved Garen.
My heart and sword always
my
for
beloved
Demacia.
Garen. Oh my fucking god! I got some final Demacia judge. Okay, guys, let's go to turret. Let's go make some damage to turret. We are taking down the damage to turret. Kill that motherfucker. Space Vision, make some damage. Dinotti together, they're killing the turret. Turret is taking some good serious damage, but Dinotti and Space Vision are not going away. Maybe this time they're gonna take down turret from the one blow, but no, and turret's getting down. Space Vision make some final damage, and oh, Dinotti and fucking Space Vision just took down the turret from the first time. They came, they make some serious business, and they killed the turret. And Dinotti Space Vision are making the top lane is getting down so fucking fast that those minions are just crying. We told you guys this stream is gonna be famous. This stream is gonna be fucking famous. Nunobot, they are after Space Vision, but there is Dinotti in the house. Dinotti is coming to Space Vision. Space Vision is just getting some dark smoke, and Nunobot is getting down, motherfucking. Nunobot is dead. Space Vision Seraphine just makes some big damage, and they are after the turret. After the turret, we gotta make some serious damage to the turret. Dinotti is swiping the turret, and minions are helping him too. And Space Vision is coming to help Seraphine too. And the turret is getting down fast. Turret is going down in the turret, and turret is down. Those minions are just fucking afraid, because Seraphine, Space Vision, and Dinotti are making so big damage that Nunobot, oh my god, somebody slowed down the Dinotti. He got shielded up, but Nunobot is afraid. Oh no, he used the Demacia Justice for nothing. And Dinotti just after. No, Nunobot is going up. Fuck it, Dino just loaded. Dinotti made some serious mistakes in this stream. Why? Look, Spot is back. Space Vision is getting back. Dinotti is getting back. Why? Because they're just too powerful. They're just too powerful. We are going to the middle lane, maybe something's happening better there. Oh my fucking god! Shambot is in the house! Mamuti Ebam! We are taking the middle turret down! Space Vision and Dinotti again! Together! With the power of the Demacia and Space Vision Ghost! We are taking out the turret and getting some serious money back. We are getting some serious money. I'm going back to buy some hell-of-the items, so I'm gonna be so fucking strong. Every minion of the other team's gonna be so fucking afraid. They're gonna speak the legendary legends of me. There was some Garen. What we do is right. Space Vision, come, help me. Space Vision, Dinotti again, the dynamic duo. There's experts for killing the turrets. Just a little bit more. Dinotti is making some serious, he doesn't wanna move. Dinotti is getting some, no, Dinotti is not going away. And we just survived. We survived, but Dinotti has so little energy, he doesn't know what to do now. But no, Dinotti just is E for killing that motherfucker. No motherfucking way. Dinoti. That's the little turret. He's gonna go. Who's gonna die? Dinoti or the turret? And turret is down. Just one more left until we finally attack the Nexus. They are after us. We are low energy, but we don't give up. We are making some serious speeds. Minions are dying like ducks. Seraphine Space Vision are making so much damage that these guys. No, Dino made some fucking damages. Okay. Ace motherfucking Seraphine Nikaku just show, and we are taking the Nexus. We are making some good damage to it. This is gonna be the final seconds of this glorious battle. Space Vision with a little energy, Dinoti with a little more energy. Now the bot is attacking him from the left side, but Unobot, and we're getting the Nexus now. This is gonna be the end of game. This is gonna be the end of game. No fucking going to game was legendary. Not Space Vision and Dinoti made so fucking nice move that they destroyed the all fucking Nexus from the other opponent. This is a glorious victory. This is a victory who's gonna be remembered for the ages of ages. This was the battle of the Titans. We won the game and enjoying the music. This is the champions music. What do you think about, guys? This was so fucking awesome, man. I was so in, oh my god, I was so fucking in this game. Oh my god, I didn't do so much damage, but look at this. I killed 3 of them. I died two times, 5 assists. Seraphine, the best player in this, and Nikako. Nikako is, oh, I know who's the better. Oh, but they're good, man. I was the worst in the team, but this is Dinoti. This is the noob, man. And this game was hell. What do you think about, guys, huh? This was a fucking awesome game. Woohoo! Thank you guys for playing this fucking. I had so fucking nice time. Oh, I'm gonna put this on the highlight, man.